As shown in the figure above, a child of mass 20 kilograms, who is running at a speed of 4 meters per second, jumps onto a stationary sled of mass 5 kilograms on a frozen lake. The speed at which the child and sled begin to slide across the ice is most nearly. This is a completely inelastic collision. The equation for conservation of linear momentum takes the form mass of the child times initial velocity is equal to the combined mass of the child and the sled times the final velocity of the child-sled system. Therefore, the final velocity of the child-sled system is given by 80 kilograms meters per second divided by 25 kilograms. This is 3.2 meters per second. Option D.